Hello everyone and welcome to Jobs from A to Z, where we discuss all kinds of professions and careers. In today's video we will be discussing the impact artificial intelligence will have on the job market and tell you which jobs are most likely to be replaced by AI technologies in the future. So watch closely as this video might save you from a bad career choice. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming many industries, and the job market is no exception. While AI will undoubtedly create new job opportunities, it will also replace some existing jobs. In this video, we'll explore how AI will affect the job market and which jobs are most at risk. One of the most significant impacts of AI on the job market is automation. AI-powered machines and software can now perform many routine and repetitive tasks more efficiently than humans. As a result, jobs that involve these tasks are at the highest risk of being automated. This includes jobs such as data entry, assembly line work, and customer service. However, it's not just low-skilled jobs that are at risk. AI is also advancing rapidly in areas such as healthcare, finance, and law, which traditionally require highly skilled professionals. For example, AI-powered software can now diagnose medical conditions more accurately than human doctors in some cases, which could significantly reduce the demand for doctors and other healthcare professionals. So, which jobs are most at risk of being automated or transformed by AI? Here are the top 15 jobs that will be affected the most. Telemarketers. Telemarketing is already being replaced by AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants. Data entry clerks. Data entry tasks are highly repetitive and can be automated with AI. Bookkeepers and accounting clerks. AI-powered software can handle routine bookkeeping tasks, reducing the demand for human bookkeepers and accounting clerks. Receptionists and information clerks. Chatbots and virtual assistants are already being used to replace human receptionists and information clerks. Assembly line workers. AI-powered machines are increasingly being used to assemble products in factories, which reduces the need for human workers. Bank tellers and customer service. AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants can handle many banking and customer service tasks more efficiently than human workers. Stock traders. Stock traders. AI-powered algorithms can now analyze vast amounts of data to make investment decisions more accurately and quickly than human traders. This can reduce the need for human stock traders. Travel agents. AI-powered travel agents can now help customers plan and book their trips, reducing the need for human travel agents. Fast food workers. Self-order kiosks and automated cooking equipment can now handle many fast food tasks, such as taking orders and preparing food. This can reduce the need for human fast food workers. Tax preparers. AI-powered software can now process tax returns more accurately and efficiently than humans, reducing the need for human tax preparers. Writers and journalists. AI-powered software can now generate news articles and reports based on data analysis and natural language processing. While AI-generated content may lack the creativity and nuance of human-written content, it could potentially replace some human writers and journalists. Radiologists. AI-powered software can diagnose medical conditions by analyzing medical images, which could reduce the need for human radiologists. Financial analysts. AI-powered software can now analyze financial data and generate reports more accurately and quickly than human analysts. This can reduce the need for human financial analysts. Retail salespeople. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle many retail tasks, such as answering customer questions and processing orders. Truck drivers. Self-driving trucks are being developed that could replace human truck drivers in the near future. In conclusion, AI is transforming the job market, and some jobs are at higher risk of being automated or transformed than others. However, it's important to note that AI will also create new job opportunities and enhance existing ones. The key to success in the future job market is to adapt to these changes and acquire new skills that will be in demand in the age of AI. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay on top on all career possibilities. And let us know in the comments what you think about the future of the workforce and what other jobs might be gone for people soon, or if you fear that your job will be replaced by AI in the near future.